Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today we're diving deep into a vehicle that's about to shake up the compact crossover segment in a way no one expected. Yes, it's the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-20. Now, if you think Mazda was done surprising us after their premium push with the CX-90, think again. The CX-20 is more than just a new name, it's a whole new chapter in Mazda's story. Let's begin with the design. From the very first glance, the CX-20 commands attention. It borrows heavily from Mazda's Kodo design language, but with sharper creases, bolder lines, and an unmistakably athletic stance. The front grille is wide, sleek, and outlined by slim, aggressive LED headlights. It's not overly flashy, it's confident. The kind of design that looks right at home in a luxury lineup, but without the luxury price tag. Mazda is clearly signaling that even their smaller crossovers deserve a premium edge. Now under the hood, here's where things get really interesting. The CX-20 comes with a choice of two powertrains, a refined 2.0-liter Skyactiv-G engine with mild hybrid assistance for those seeking efficiency, and a turbocharged 2.5-liter variant for those who want some serious pep. And the big twist? There's also a plug-in hybrid version rumored to offer over 40 miles of electric-only range. Mazda is stepping up its electrification game, and the CX-20 is at the front of that charge, literally. Inside, you're greeted with a cabin that feels like it belongs in a much more expensive vehicle. Soft touch materials, leather-trimmed seats, a floating 12.3-inch infotainment screen, and Mazda's latest driver interface system all combine to create a space that's both stylish and functional. Mazda didn't just focus on looks though, they've integrated upgraded sound insulation and a more responsive ride feel, meaning this compact SUV offers a surprisingly serene driving experience, whether you're in the city or cruising down the highway. Safety? Oh, they didn't hold back. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and Mazda's new AI-enhanced emergency braking system that can actually detect distracted driving patterns and warn the driver before trouble strikes. It's smart, it's intuitive, and it's looking out for you at every turn. And here's something not many people are talking about. The CX-20 is built on a new scalable platform that's rumored to be shared with Mazda's upcoming electric-only vehicles. That means this isn't just a one-off model, it's the start of a broader transformation for Mazda, and the CX-20 might just be their most important release in years. So, if you've been waiting for a compact SUV that delivers on design, performance, efficiency, and technology without breaking the bank, the 2026 Mazda CX-20 might be the best-kept secret of the year. But not for long. Hit that like button if you're excited to see this beast on the roads, and let us know in the comments, would you take the CX-20 over a Toyota Corolla Cross or a Honda HR-V? We'll be back with more only here on Autocars Play.